Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be upgrading the Micro Swiss NG to a Micro Swiss NG REVO. And I'll show you guys the parts that you can get from Micro Swiss. You just need to email their sales department. So let's jump right into it. Hey guys, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, turn on your notification bell, and leave me some comments. I love reading the comments and do my best to get back to you guys as soon as I see them. All right, when you contact Micro Swiss and let them know what you want to do. These are the parts they're going to send you. So they're going to send you the Revo heatsink, the Revo heat cartridge. You're going to get one nozzle, a little connector pack, along with the Bowden tube fastener and clip, and then you get a sticker. All right, so let's take the machine apart, and then we'll start putting it together. Total cost for the parts at the time of this recording, which is July the 26th, it was $90, and the whole kit is $145. So if you haven't installed this at all on your printer before, then the whole kit will cost you $145 plus tax. In my case, I already had the other components. I just needed the heatsink, Revo heater cartridge, and the nozzle. All right, guys, what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to take this to the grinder. I'm going to grind this down until I can reach in here and get this the screw. You see how now you can get the tool in there? And thankfully it's not too tight. And the way that this one goes together is the Revo hot end. I'll show you. It's easier to see now when it's all taken apart. See how it gets real close? Perfect. See how the nozzle's just a little bit longer? So if you already have a fan duct design, you're gonna have to modify a little bit. And I only had to lower mine by 3 millimeters. So 3 millimeters did the trick. And then once I get it all printed out and installed, I'll check and make sure the airflow is good. And you're tightening into aluminum, so you don't want to get too crazy. Just a little bit. That should do the trick right there. All right, one thing I noticed here, you got to be careful installing this because it looks like this is like a real precise fit here. So what I'm going to do is you see how there's a bearing there? There it is right there. So just wiggle it till it drops in there. One more thing that I have to do is, I might not have to do it on this one. I forgot about this. So another little kind of tricky thing is snapping this spring on here. So it kind of has a little tiny little collar. And so the spring has to be snapped on almost. See if I can get it. It's like that. See that? And then once you get it on, screw your Revo tip on. And the great thing about this, you don't need any tools, just finger tight. Alright guys, there it is all put together. So you can see now you got a ton of room around those ducts. so there's no way that any of that stuff is going to melt or deform. One thing I had to do here with the CR Touch is add a spacer right here. So right between the CR Touch and the top of the bracket, there's a little 2.8 millimeter spacer, and that got the thing in the right position. I'm going to be playing around with these ducts for the next few days, getting them angled just right, but the height is where it needs to be. And those of you that picked this up already, I'll make a Revo version, update the original file, and you guys will get an email letting you know that there's an update. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Till the next one, take care.